Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enable Snapchat notifications on iPhone. What you need to do, first just go to Snapchat app and then just click on the top right in your profile icon. After that, click in the setting icon in the top right, and then just scroll down and click on notifications. Now just click enable notifications. Yes, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to enable Snapchat notifications on iPhone. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.